The first time you get paid, the number on the check is a lie. The amount you actually keep is smaller than you think, sometimes hundreds smaller. And here's the part that really matters. The way you handle that very first paycheck quietly sets a pattern that most people don't break for 40 years. Spend it all, and you'll probably spend every raise that follows. Or you can do something different starting right now. This is a simple system for splitting any paycheck so you cover your life, still enjoy your money, and quietly get ahead, starting with check number one. It works whether you make a little or a lot. So let's break it down. First, the vocabulary that trips everyone up. Gross pay is what you earn before anything is taken out. Net pay, or your take home, is what actually lands in your account. The gap between them is withholding. Some goes to federal, some goes to state income tax, and a chunk goes to FICA. That's Social Security and Medicare combined, on basically every dollar you earn. Add it up, and your take home is often 20 to 30% less than the number you were quoted. So if a job offers you 20 an hour, do not budget like you're getting 20. Budget off your net, the real number that hits your account. That one habit prevents 100 future money mistakes. Now that you have your money in your account, where does it all go? The simplest system that actually works is called the 50-30-20 rule effect. And you run it off of your take-home pay. 50% goes to needs, the stuff you can't skip, rent, food, transport, minimum bills. 30% goes to wants, the stuff that makes life good, eating out, subscriptions, going out with friends. And 20% goes to your future, savings and paying off any debt that you have faster. That's 1,000 for needs, 600 for fun stuff, and 400 towards your future. And look, if you live at home, your needs might be tiny, so push more of that money into the future slice. If you're in an expensive city, the ratios bend. The exact numbers matter less than the principle. Every paycheck gets a job before you spend a dollar of it. Here's where most people fail, though. And it's not about willpower. They plan to save whatever's left at the end of the month. But there's never anything left because spending expands to fill whatever you've got. The fix is to flip the order. Pay yourself first. Your savings slice into a separate account. You never see it, so you never spend it. You're not relying on the discipline at the end of the long month. You're relying on a setting that you flipped once. Out of sight, out of temptation. The single move, automating it, is the difference between people who save and people who mean to save. So where does the saved money go first? It should go in your emergency fund first. The goal is in two stages. Stage one, get $1,000 set aside as fast as you can. That alone handles most of life's small disasters. A car repair, a busted phone, a surprise bill, all without using a credit card or without panicking. Stage two, over time, build it up to 3 to 6 months of your basic expenses. Keep it somewhere separate and safe, like a high-yield savings account, but not you're checking where you're going to see it and therefore spend it, and not invest it because if emergency comes up, you need the money right away. This isn't money for growth, it's money for peace of mind, and to protect yourself from real emergencies and true surprises, which we all know tend to happen. Remember that first paycheck wasn't just money, it was a pattern. Give every dollar a job. Automate the part that builds your future and protect yourself with a cushion. Do it once and the system turns itself paycheck after paycheck for decades. If you thought this information was helpful, subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss the next video.